Okay, fair enough.
Okay, so we've all heard of No Shave November.
Sure.
But
Oh my goodness.
and that's where many men grow out their beards for the month of November, usually for a good cause. But these guys are taking it to the next level. Jason Kiley from Wisconsin has a 24-inch beard
Oh my
that
goodness.
he brushes and braids every day, and he actually has won the world championship for his freestyle beard. Why did he start growing it? Take a listen.
I really wanted to get ridiculously good at something completely ridiculous.
That sounds like something you would say, Jordan.
Yeah, I want to get good at something really weird.
What's even more ridiculous is that Jason isn't the only beastly beard in Wisconsin. Andrew Matson lives in Wisconsin too, and he won the national prize for best goatee.
Ooh.
And through competing, these two strangers have become friends. And get this, Jordan, they've learned there's nothing thicker than the brotherhood of beards.
Wow. That was so deep.
So I've never seen you with any
So
stubble
dark.
or anything.
No, because I can like grow a neck beard, but I can't grow any like real facial hair.
You should
I'm still a little boy.
Please don't remind me.
I'm still a little boy.
Mike Doyle, I've never seen with facial hair either.
I bet you he can grow
We've
a beard
got some
or two.
clean-cut guys on
Beard or
this
two.
show.
I think he can grow a beard or two.